This month, February 2024, 193 UN member states will gather in Nairobi, Kenya, for the UN Environment Assembly, or UNEA as we like to call it. Never have we needed to tackle the triple urgency of our times: climate, biodiversity loss, nature, and pollution more urgently. UNEA offers an opportunity for us to come together, to be less distracted by the crisis of our times, and lay the foundation for a brighter, more sustainable future. UNEA offers an opportunity to demonstrate that multilateralism is the bedrock for all global progress. Because we can only transform our world if we work as one, in a credible manner. And working as one means including the voices beyond government, beyond multilateralism, the voices of youth, the voices of civil society, the voice of academia and science, the voice of indigenous people and minorities, and the voice of the private sector. And above all, this UNEA needs to be one of action. We must focus on strengthening the bonds between science and policymaking. We must accelerate progress and synergies between our global environmental agreements. We must find practical ways to advance the human right to a healthy environment that is crucial for our development and that is crucial for sustainable development of the world. The benefits of action are clear. When we protect nature, public health improves. When we focus on sustainable solutions to the climate crisis, our economies get stronger. And when we put science at the forefront of our decisions, the outcomes are better for everyone. The world will be watching us. The world will be watching what happens at this UNEA. Expectations are very high. To my fellow delegates, I say this: we must ensure our ambition matches those expectations, matches the high expectations of our people. History has clearly demonstrated what humanity can achieve when we all work together credibly. Let's take this opportunity to make real transformative change for people, for planet, and for humanity.